Nestled deep in Colombia's mystical cloud rainforest, the Best Bird Lodge offers an intimate haven with just 9 cabins, where the lush jungle meets a world of rare and exotic bird life. Here, the sounds of the forest surround you, with the mist rising every morning, giving the air a magical, almost ethereal feel. Each cabin is thoughtfully designed to blend with the landscape, with large windows and verandas, providing an immersive view of the vibrant treetops and nearby slopes, where toucans, colourful tanagers, and even the elusive quetzal may appear. Bird watchers and nature lovers gather here, seeking sightings of some of the world's rarest and most captivating species, like the Andean cock of the rock, the elusive anpetas, and a dazzling variety of hummingbirds. Knowledgeable local guides lead small groups into the forest along trails to secluded spots where patience is rewarded as glimpses of brilliant plumage emerge from the foliage. The lodge offers a peaceful retreat, with gentle breezes whispering trees and only the songs of birds and sounds of nature as company, making it a perfect sanctuary for anyone seeking an unforgettable rainforest experience.